Hello, Ed boys. Any doors yet?
Don't let the monster eat me! Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small. Too much for couch potato Ed boys like yourself.